some people come to me because what they want is to learn how they've given up on life. They've given up on being able to be in a romantic relationship. They've given up on the idea of, maybe it's because they're 50 or 60 or 70 years old and they just think it never happened, it never will. Or maybe they've had a very bad, history, and so they think they just keep attracting negative people. And so they've given up on the possibility that they can actually have a companion that they really enjoy and are romantic with. And people come to me for that, and I teach them. I have techniques where I actually teach them what to do and how to do it and how to rethink their negative thinking into positive thinking. One of the important things is learning how to use the law of attraction, because when you use the law of attraction, again, you start to vibrate into a positive place. And you start to vibrate, oh, I can attract somebody to me. I can attract somebody. Hello, Gio, this is my cat. Hello, baby.
Oh,
Yes.
it's lovely, lovely.
He's my lovely cat, Gio-licious. So, and Gio knows he can attract all kinds of love to him. And that's what I help to teach. With the law of attraction, I teach people with using, first I have them do very, really linear techniques of deciding 50 things they don't want in a partner, 50 things they do. And then I have them work that through, and we come up with 11 vibrations, which I call essences for them. And with that, they start to resonate. We use affirmations with those essences on a daily basis so that they start to attract people who vibrate those essences. I also have them do a vision board. And what that is they cut out photographs, or they take photographs and they paste it up all together like a collage of their future for the next 2 years. I have them do a 2-year vision board. And in that board would be the man or woman that they want. And it could be many of them, but the same body type, the height, different faces sometimes they put a face in. The kind of house they want to live in, what kind of job they say, everything's on their vision board. And every morning they look at it and they remind themselves. And they do that with the affirmations, with their essences, and this gets them moving, and things start to open. The world opens up because they have shifted their belief system and they're vibrating differently now.